Alright, what we have here today is a slightly used Cobra 29 LTD. It is a Dale Earnhardt Jr. edition. I have done some modifications to the radio since it was such a nice clean older radio. I put blue LEDs in it. I installed talkback. Also installed is a turbo echo board. It's mounted on the inside, controlled by the Delta tune knobs there. And I've added a white LED. Also is a modulation swing kit installed. Radio's really nice. Nice and strong.
Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio check.
Radio swing a good 20 watts. It is what it is. Make a nice strong mobile unit. If you want to add linear, it's tuned for one, ready to go, or it's loud and proud just the way it is. Pretty clean. There's not a whole lot of scratches, a few light ones here and there, but for the most part it's all in pretty good shape. Mic and everything. Board. Make somebody a nice mobile unit. What you see is what you will receive.